Moving to a Gulf island, to a new home. This could be the lifestyle change you've been looking for. The small home is very well constructed, less than 5 years old. The well is new, the septic's new, everything works. This is like worry-free move-in. It's got a garden area that's fenced. It's got RV parking that has got septic water and power to it already. And the most adorable outdoor bathroom on the island. There is an indoor bathroom as well, but the outdoor tub's kind of cool. If you want more information, got a detailed package on it, contact your realtor or give me a call and we can get that to you and see if it's going to fit.